how can you derive? So I will show you because this is important. Sometime this will be asked to derive this equation. So this equation is simply derived with the help of mass balance equation. Given mass balance equation, you write for any stage in the gas absorption unit. Yani for example, if you writing the mass balance equation around the nth plate, they say this is the column and the numbering of trays you करिए this is from the top. This one is a first tray, then second, third, fourth, as is so on. This is ith tray, है ना? And this one is a nth tray. Hmm. तो यानी gas is coming and this is considered as है ना ये this is coming from the outside, therefore this is np plus 1 है ना. This is the composition at here which is leaving from this nth tray is yn. ठीक है. Similarly, the liquid which is coming from the above tray, their composition ये देखो this is particularly this is coming on from the above tray. तो ये L simply composition अगर लिखें this is X, sorry, mm, यानी this X, this composition is Xn minus 1 है ना. This is coming from the n minus 1th plate इसलिए Xn minus 1 and this is leaving from this tray, तो their composition is Xn. ठीक है. तो this is the composition. तो write down the mass balance around this. So I will show you this whole derivation in this book. हाँ, this is the derivation actually. This is Crumbson equation and this is derive. Uh, this screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
है ना. This is the mass balance. 1 minute. Around 200%. So this is simply you write down the mass balance around an tray. So this is gas molar flow rate और वो भी solute free basis. And this is a liquid molar flow rate solute free basis. So simply you have already seen when we writing the mass balance equation. So this is y2 minus y1 and this is x1 minus x2. तो वो उसी टाइप से कि this is written here simply and tray के लिए. Then rearrange this expression and you write this way है ना. जैसे कि this y yn plus 1 minus देखो this term take into the one side. जैसे simply अगर पहले first write this way is equal to lm by gm है ना. Here lm by gm they have used. This is ls by gs in our case. जैसे भी ले लो. This is lm by gm and then within bracket xn माइनस एक्स एन माइनस वन, है ना. दिस इज द रिलेशनशिप. देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम रिलेशनशिप, है ना, तो y इक्वल टू एम एक्स. With the help of this equilibrium relationship, these x will be replaced by the y, है ना. In these both xn and n minus 1 replaced by the uh, in terms of y. So how to replace, यानी कि you can write here in the right hand side. I will write here right hand side में this lm by gm, and when you are putting y equal to mx, यानी in place of x you are putting y by m, तो y by m, तो यानी this m is come into the denominator, तो ये m is come into the denominator here. Hmm. And in place of xn क्या आएगा, this is yn. Hmm. And in place of xn minus 1, yn minus 1. ठीक है. And this lm by mgm, यानी this is the operating line slope and this is the equilibrium line slope. So the ratio of this is known as the absorption factor. तो ये a. हम्म, तो ये yn माइनस yn माइनस 1. ठीक है. एंड देन रीअरेंज दिस एक्सप्रेशन. देखो अभी आफ्टर रीअरेंजमेंट देखो, दिस इज you will get yn plus 1 in the left hand side and yn, है ना. This is yn plus 1 minus yn equal to a yn minus yn minus 1. Then rearrange this and you will get this. Hmm. 1 minute. So you will get this after then if you are using single stage absorber, तो सिंगल स्टेज एब्जॉर्बर में दिस इक्वेशन अगेन रीराइट फॉर द सिंगल एब्जॉर्बर. तो yn यानी n इज रिप्लेस बाय द 1, है ना. सिंपली रिप्लेस n एज ए 1, क्योंकि अब n स्टैंड फॉर नंबर ऑफ स्टेजेस. तो इफ वी आर यूजिंग सिंगल स्टेज, तो यानी कि n इज 1, यानी in place of n put 1. So you when putting 1, so this is y1 and here this is y2, and this is a y0, है ना. तो 1 up 1 plus a, where y1 is the mole fraction of absorbed component in gas leaving the plate, है ना. In a gas leaving the plate, and y0 is the mole fraction of component in gas in equilibrium with the entering liquid. मतलब दिस मीन्स जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल ये है, दिस इज सिंगल स्टेज एब्जॉर्बर. तो y1 is the mole fraction of absorbed component in gas leaving the plate. जैसे सिंगल प्लेट है यहाँ पे, तो ये जो है दिस इज y1, and y0 is the mole fraction of component in gas in equilibrium with the entering liquid, और ये हमारा है y0. And this is equilibrium with the entering liquid. Entering liquid ऊपर से आ रहा है, and this is in equilibrium with this. या लीविंग के केस में कंसीडर करें, या दिस इज एंटरिंग, तो ये दिस इज y0. सिमिलरली इफ वी यूज ए टू प्लेट एब्जॉर्बर, है ना, व्हेन यू यूजिंग टू प्लेट एब्जॉर्बर, तो अगेन वी कैन राइट दिस इक्वेशन, यानी इन प्लेस ऑफ n put the n equal to 2. तो you will get this. देखो in place of n equal to 2 you went to this is y2, here this is y3 plus a, अब यहाँ पे n इक्वल टू 2, तो this is y1, तो ये सिंपली ये this is, then again generalize for this, यानी कि when for n trace के लिए ऐसे similarly, या उससे पहले before the going to this, क्योंकि here y2 y3 एंड y1 है ना, y1 y2 y3, अब रिप्लेस एनी इंटरमीडिएट, जैसे कि हेयर y1, क्योंकि y1 इज ए composition of gas inside the column and y naught is a entering. Hmm. तो एंटरिंग यानी कि तो y1 को यू कैन रिप्लेस इन टर्म्स ऑफ y नॉट, तो वो कैसे रिप्लेस करें, यानी फ्रॉम हेयर y1 will be replaced with the help of this equation, यानी कि put the y1 equal to y2 plus a y naught upon 1 plus a here, यहाँ put कर दीजिए in place of this, then after rearrange, यानी कि ये this value put here, है ना, क्योंकि y1 we don't know, we don't want to y1 in our expression, why, क्योंकि y1 is again intermediate composition, है ना, and y3 is a leaving composition from the column, तो हमें चाहिए entering and the leaving, and in उसके अलावा नहीं चाहिए, तो दे, तो replace this y1, and y1 को replace with the help of this expression, when you replacing this, so you will get the y2 is this form, है ना, putting of simply putting this value and take the LCM and then rearrange, so you will get this equation. Then similarly for the nth tray, when you writing for the n plate of absorber, so this equation become this type, है ना, similarly you can, when you are putting this, यानी कि this equation is for the two plate absorber, and similarly you can proceed in this manner for n plate absorber, so you will get this, है ना, अब जैसे this is y2, similarly we write for the 3 stage absorber, then 4 stage absorber, ऐसे, and put eliminate the intermediate composition step by step, जब eliminate करते हुए you will get finally this form, है ना, finally you get this form of equation where this inlet composition and the leaving composition जो भी है this is, ये this is, ये जैसे this is the inlet composition of gas according to our notation, क्योंकि we have counting from this column, यानी top to bottom, है ना, the numbering we have given for the plate from top to bottom, है ना, तो ये this is an tray, तो ये gas is coming from here, तो this is the composition of ये है entering composition, and this is the leaving according to this, तो ये leaving है y naught, तो इसलिए we require this, तो therefore finally when you rearrange the equation, तो in the equation ऐसे rearrangement कि you will get the y naught term in the equation, तो after arrangement you will get this expression, ये this expression, then again rearrange this expression, rearrange this expression यानी according to this ऐसे arrange कर दीजिए, and y naught की जगह you can put again from the equilibrium relationship kx naught, है ना, you can take k or m anyway, है ना, क्योंकि k and m both are used in the equilibrium relationship, है ना, इसलिए you don't confuse, ये दोनों यूज होते हैं, you can put a m also here, तो this is you will get this expression, है ना, only rearrangement है this, rearrange this, तो you will get this way, तो yn n plus 1, यानी कि multiply this and then rearrange, so you will get this expression, this is known as a Kramsar equation. Now we will move to the next topic. Similarly, for the stripping, the same equation in for the liquid composition basis पे you can write this way, and this is number of theoretical plate. This is you already learn into the distillation column, where you use the Fensky equation to find out the minimum number of trays. So similar equations are derived for here. This is for the number of plates, number of plate. Yani directly numerically you can evaluate with the help of this expression. And similarly, for the stripping column, you can find out the number of trays with the help of this relationship. Then other next operation is non-isothermal operation. क्योंकि here in the previous cases we consider that this operation is isothermal operation, यानी temperature is uniform throughout the column. But actual में this is applicable when the solution is dilute, यानी कि small amount of solute is transferred from gas phase to the liquid phase, then this is okay. कि the temperature variation is very limited, so we can consider as कि whole process is isothermal. But in the real situation, some of the cases when the absorption is taking place and the large quantity of solute gas is absorbed and form the concentrated solution. So concentrated solution when this form, so this when this is absorbed, so sometime maybe heat of mixing will be generated. So due to this temperature will be uh, temperature inside the absorption column will changes. यानी solvent temperature will change as well as gas mixture temperature is also changed, क्योंकि solute will transfer from the gas phase to the liquid phase. तो liquid phase में when absorption will take place, तो there may be temperature will increase. जैसे for example in the sulfuric acid system, when sulfur trioxide is directly absorbed into the water, तो क्या होगा, the heat, this is exothermic reaction, तो heat will be generated and due to the absorption, the temperature of the liquid as well as the gas will changes. So by the absorption, the temperature of the liquid is raised considerably extent. The equilibrium solubility of the solute will be appreciably reduced, है ना, क्योंकि as the temperature will increase, तो temperature increase होने से the solubility will decrease, है ना, तो इसीलिए the equilibrium solubility will be reduced and the capacity of the absorber decrease, क्योंकि when the solubility will decrease, तो यानी कि gas does not absorb into the liquid, तो gas does not absorb into the liquid, तो यानी कि the absorption rate will decrease, तो यानी whole process यानी capacity, whole process will be lower down, यानी capacity of the absorber decrease. अब same size of absorber uh, if operate in a isothermal way, then this will absorb more amount of solute. लेकिन if this is operate in non-isothermal way, then the capacity, yani capacity means yani amount of solute will be absorbed into the liquid is less in non-isothermal operation. तो अब that case we require larger flow rate of liquid, यानी कि we increase the large amount of liquid, मतलब या larger flow rate of liquid we maintain, so we can absorb the solute, or we can make the cooling arrangement into the tower, yani take the cooling coil around the tower, so they maintain the temperature. फॉर स्ट्रिपिंग एंड एंडोथर्मिक, फॉर स्ट्रिपिंग केस में क्या होगा, दिस इज क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम द स्ट्रिपिंग ऑपरेशन इज एंडोथर्मिक ऑपरेशन, यानी एंडोथर्मिक होगा, देन टेम्परेचर में बी फॉल, तो टेम्परेचर में बी फॉल। अब in the non-isothermal operation, यानी consider this tray tower, this is shown in a figure, here देखो the numbering of the stages from top to bottom, है ना, this is one earth plate and this is an earth and this is NP, and their numbering is this way, and if QT is the heat removed per unit time from the entire tower, and this amount of heat is removed from the tower per unit time, to write down the enthalpy balance for the entire tower. So mass balance you can write for the mass balance of the whole tower. तो simply mass balance you can write कि simply कि G1 Y1, है ना, या सल्यूट फ्री बेसिस पे, या you can directly write for the complete सल्यूट फ्री बेसिस पे, और you can write for the complete gas content पे, then you can directly write G1 Y1 प्लस प्लस में एल एन, दिस इज एल एन पी एक्स एन एन, एल एन पी एक्स एन पी, क्योंकि दीज टू आर लिविंग, है ना, तो दिस G1 Y1 प्लस एल एन पी एक्स एन पी इक्वल टू इंटरिंग क्या है, एल नॉट एक्स नॉट प्लस जी एन पी वाई एन पी, तो दिस इज ओवरऑल मास बैलेंस। ठीक है, तो सिम, तो दिस यू कैन राइट, एंड देन you can write for the uh, enthalpy balance, तो enthalpy balance here जैसे we have written है कि L naught multiply by H L naught, entering ये, and the gas GNP plus GNP multiply by HGNP1, this is, यानी this is enthalpy in to the column, and enthalpy leaving from the column, देखो G1 multiply by Hg1, तो G1 multiply by Hg1 and LNP multiply by HLNP, है ना, LNP multiply by HLNP, तो this is leaving enthalpy of the liquid, this is leaving enthalpy of the gas, plus QT, which amount is removed through the cooling coil, है ना, QT is a heat removed per unit time from the tower. So this is the enthalpy balance for the non-isothermal operation. Here H जो है, this is represent the molar enthalpy of the stream, है ना, at its particular concentration and condition. Thus the molar enthalpy of a liquid solution, their temperature TL, composition X, mole fraction, this solute की, then this is obtained with the help of this expression, यानी molar enthalpy of liquid solution at temperature TL and composition this we can estimate with the help of this equation, है ना, this is the enthalpy, अब this is a sensible, एक्चुअल में सेंसिबल हीट है दिस इज, एंड दिस इज अ हीट ऑफ मिक्सिंग, है ना, तो फर्स्ट टर्म जिस रिप्रेजेंट द sensible heat and the second term represent the enthalpy of mixing, and this sensible heat, है ना, this sensible heat includes the enthalpy of solute free solvent plus solute जो भी आ रहा है, तो यानी कि you can write this way also, ये है this is किस, ये है this is enthalpy of this term represent the enthalpy of solute free basis, क्योंकि 1 minus x, x जो होगा this is a composition of solute in the liquid, तो 1 minus x means This is the enthalpy, yani sensible heat of the solute free basis, and this is the sensible heat of solute which is present in the liquid. तो ये x CLP TL minus T naught. ठीक है. Similarly, you can find write down the enthalpy for the gas case. This one, है ना. Hg CpG inert. ये देखो, this inert means यानी कि this is written for the solute free basis, है ना. This is for the solute free basis, मतलब which is a carrier gas. तो enthalpy of this carrier gas, sensible enthalpy of this carrier gas, and this is the enthalpy of the solute. अब enthalpy of the solute, अब plus lambda not, this will be applicable when the solute will absorb on the liquid, and if the solute is in a vapor form, तो vapor form, तो the heat of condensation, है ना. Heat of condensation is this, लेकिन sometimes this is a heat of vaporization also. So if the stripper is present, then this is a heat of vaporization, otherwise this is condensation. तो ये this is lambda will terms will come, क्योंकि gas will transfer to the uh, um, gas phase to the liquid phase. तो if this gas is in form of vapor form, तो vapor form में होगा, अगर this gas mixture is in the gas mixture, this जो solute है, this is present in the vapor form, तो uh, heat of condensation will be required, otherwise stripper है, then heat of vaporization हो. तो ये both, तो इसलिए their lambda dot term will come, तो this will use. So this way you can find out the enthalpy of gas and enthalpy of liquid. For adiabatic operation, Qt is zero. क्योंकि we in the adiabatic operation there is a no exchange of heat from the system to the surrounding, यानी from tower to the outside. यानी जैसे from, if you provide the cooling coil surrounding to this tower, तो heat is exchanging from the tower to the cooling coil. But if this is totally insulated tower, so there is a no heat transfer will take place from the tower to the adiabatic operation अगर होगा, then Qt will be zero, है ना. Qt in the this equation is zero. ये this term is vanish zero. So all the heat is retained inside the tower, and this heat will come from the leaving stream, है ना. तो temperature of the stream leaving from the absorber will generally be higher temperature than the entering, है ना. क्योंकि heat this uh, leaving material will be heated inside the tower, and this is above than the entering temperature. The rise in temperature causes a decrease in solute solubility. This is already you know. This is why solute solubility is decreases. This is if you seen, if you prepare a sugar solution, है ना, and sugar solution when you are uh, sugar solution is heated, so up to a certain solubility, if you are continuously heating again and again, but you can't increase their solubility, यानी sugar solubility you can't increase, क्योंकि this will saturated become saturated, यानी this will reach to the equilibrium condition. जैसे as you adding salt into the water, same thing. If you heated this salt solution to a certain condition, the solubility will increase, but at the last the solubility will decrease. But in the gas liquid operation, again, and the gas liquid absorption, when the temperature is of the liquid will increase, तो their solubility, क्योंकि होगा क्या, then this will not absorb, क्योंकि at the above certain above temperature, the gas dissolve from the liquid, यानी automatically they don't absorb on the liquid, they want to dissolve on the liquid, therefore their solubility will decreases, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं increase करेंगे. Then to for this case, जो minimum L by G, this is larger value, क्योंकि जैसे इन द आइसोथर्मल ऑपरेशन में यू विल गेट ए सर्टेन मिनिमम एल बाई जी, है ना. मिनिमम एल बाई जी मीन्स यानी कि द कंडीशन ऑफ कंडीशन मीन्स यानी कि जैसे दिस इज द इक्विलिब्रियम कर्व, है ना, and this is the uh, operating line, and this operating line touches this point पे, this is touches at this point maybe, है ना, this is touches at this point. तो the separation is becomes typical क्योंकि number of stages required almost infinite if this is tangent to the मतलब operating line in tangent to the equilibrium curve. तो minimum L by G, this means also कि यानी कि liquid flow rate is less compared to the gas flow rate, and when liquid flow rate is less compared to the gas flow rate, तो solute absorption is less. Hmm. तो solute absorption is less, तो यानी कि large size of tower we will required. तो ये तो दिस इज आइसोथर्मल ऑपरेशन. लेकिन नॉन आइसोथर्मल ऑपरेशन में देखो, नॉन आइसोथर्मल ऑपरेशंस में वी ये दिस मिनिमम एल बाई जी की वैल्यू दिस विल बी रिक्वायर लार्जर, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी पता है कि दिस हीट विल बी जनरेटेड ड्यू टू absorption of solute, तो their solubility is automatically decreases, तो we require some large quantity of liquid compared to the isothermal operation. यानी कि isothermal operation में if we require L amount of liquid, तो उससे larger we will require in a non isothermal operation. Otherwise same amount of absorption will not take place. तो therefore for same amount of absorption के लिए the minimum L by G ratio larger होगा in the non isothermal operation. And the number of trays already आपको पता है, number of trays will be required larger than the isothermal operation. अब the design of such absorber may be done numerically, यानी calculating tray by tray from bottom to the top, है ना, bottom to the top, thus total and solute balance up to tray n as shown in a figure, यानी nth tray के लिए this is represented as this, है ना. Here the nth tray is this one, है ना. ये this is represented, intermediate tray is considered as a small nth tray, है ना. Here they have taken intermediate tray is nth and the last tray is np. Hmm. So for the nth tray the overall balance, है ना, inlet liquid ln, जैसे this is nth tray, तो liquid is coming and the gas is coming, and gas is leaving. तो ये this is lnp, this is ln, and this is oh sorry Geneva. ठीक है, तो this ln plus gnp equal to lnp, ये दोनों these two are leaving, तो ये this is overall balance. Then you write down the component balance, तो कंपोनेंट बैलेंस, दिस इज वे यू कैन राइट डाउन द कंपोनेंट बैलेंस, यानी सल्यूट बैलेंस, यानी यू कैन राइट द सल्यूट बैलेंस है। तो ये दिस इज सल्यूट बैलेंस। देन अब क्योंकि व्हेन वी आर डिजाइनिंग द कॉलम, तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसीजर इज राइट डाउन द balance equation for any tray. जैसे this is written here, nth tray to first write down the total balance and then the component balance. अब here the unknown is, unknown जो है this is this unknown, क्योंकि ये नहीं पता, this is not known, and this is also action is also not known, है ना, ये action ln and action, ये दोनों चीजें नहीं पर this is not known, दिस इज, क्योंकि दिस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द बॉटम, तो ये तो दिस इज नोन, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू द बॉटम, तो दिस इज नोन, यानी दिस इज, क्योंकि दिस इज इन इक्विलिब्रियम विद द, ये होगा, ये अगर पता है लिक्विड लीविंग, क्योंकि दिस इज एग्जिट पे, इफ यू नो कि इतना फ्लो रेट वी ड्रॉ फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड टू द टावर, अगर दिस इज नोन, अगर दिस इज नॉट नोन तो करेंगे क्या, वी राइट डाउन दिस बैलेंस फॉर ईच एंड एवरी ट्रे, है ना, ईच एंड एवरी ट्रे, एंड इन द टावर वी ओनली नो, देखो ओनली टावर में पता क्या होगा, इनलेट फ्लो रेट ऑफ लिक्विड एंड इनलेट फ्लो रेट ऑफ गैस, है ना, दीज टू आर नोन, ठीक है। इसके अलावा व्हाट यू ऑलरेडी नोस, देन you know the temperature, inlet temperature of the gas, है ना, this is already know, and the top temperature of the, देखो G1 is the leaving gas है, क्योंकि this numbering जो है already in the column, first tray is 1, इससे leaving जो गैस है this is G1, तो G1 का टेम्परेचर, गैस टेम्परेचर दिस T1, यानी एस्टिमेट द टी टेम्परेचर T1 ऑफ द गैस, तो ये दिस टेम्परेचर ये सेम होगा, दिस इज सेम एज अ टॉप ट्रे टेम्परेचर, तो टॉप ट्रे टेम्परेचर का जो टेम्परेचर दिस इज सेम एज अ सेम टेम्परेचर ऑफ द गैस, क्योंकि गैस इज लीविंग फ्रॉम दिस, तो देयर टेम्परेचर इज सेम एज अ फर्स्ट ट्रे टेम्परेचर, तो ये हमें पता होगा। तो यानी कि राइट डाउन द ईच एंड एवरी थ्री these three इक्वेशन, यानी कि द टोटल mass balance equation, then solute balance equation, then enthalpy balance equation, unknown ln xn तो ये रहेंगे and every, and then evaluate, अब there is a number of unknown, यानी कि if you writing for the there is n number of trays है here in this np, ठीक है, np number of trays है, तो you have a np multiply by 3, यानी कि 3 np number of equations, 3 np number of equations, और 3 np number of equations में number of unknowns कितने होंगे, क्योंकि देखो नंबर ऑफ अननोन्स, क्योंकि 1 2 3 एंड 4, ये तो 3 एंड 4, 4 अननोन तो ये है, देन कंपोजिशन A 1 2 3 एंड 4, 4 कंपोजिशन यानी 8, और एंथैल्पी 4, तो ये 4, लेकिन उसमें से सम ऑफ यू आर ऑलरेडी नोस, क्योंकि दीज आर इंटरकनेक्टेड, तो यानी देयर इज अ 12 अननोन फॉर 3 इक्वेशन, है ना, जिसमें से हमें 3 इक्वेशंस में वी और ओनली रिक्वायर, जैसे यहाँ पे जैसे इन दीज 2 इक्वेशंस में दीज आर नोन, क्योंकि ये इनलेट है, इनलेट गैस, तो ये पता होगा ऑलरेडी, ठीक है, तो दिस इज नोन, देन ये एल एन पी ये इक्विलिब्रियम में होगा, यानी कि this is again you can knows कि how many how much quantity of liquid leaving from the column. तो this is already know. तो ये सब पता होगा. This is जब when this is to know तो ये already पता होगा. Only evaluate this one. जैसे this is for another tray, ऐसे similarly when you have a uh, NP number of trays, तो NP number of trays में you can write for 3 NP equations. 3 NP equations में there is a uh, around 12 multiply by 3 यानी 12 multiply by NP यानी 12 NP unknowns होंगे जिसमें से some of the unknowns we can we can uh, we can find out with the help of equilibrium relationship क्योंकि we already knows कि leaving composition जैसे these two are जैसे for example here these two are leaving from the this tray and a tray तो these two are in equilibrium है ना तो ये दोनों के बीच में equilibrium होगी तो with the help of equilibrium relationship we can eliminate certain unknowns and some of the inlet and outlet composition as well as of molar flow rate we knows from the problem कि this is a problem कि इतना inlet and outlet है and their composition is this so with the help of this we can knows then temperature inlet temperature of liquid and as well as a gas these all things are known so with the help of these known data and the equilibrium relationship we can eliminate certain unknowns so you will get finally you will get the equations which has equations which has a less number of unknowns. So you can solve these equations and get the solution. And तो for simple 4 5 के लिए 4 5 4 5 stages system के लिए you can easily solve. लेकिन if you have a 10 20 trays, so the solution of this equations become typical. So we use a graphical procedure to find out this. लेकिन by this way you can find out easily कि हमें if the five trays are used or 6 7 trays are used, so their number of computation time will increases, but you can solve. तो यानी कि solve these for and find out the temperature at each plate. Solve these for the find out the composition in each trays. बस remember these three कि ये write down the balance equation, enthalpy balance, solute balance and total balance and use the equilibrium relationship to eliminate certain unknowns and then use the inlet and outlet condition मतलब consider the inlet and outlet condition and again remove some unknowns and then solve so you will get this solution. अब this is the repetitive process. Repetitive why क्योंकि you can check कि when you solving this तो you can check कि inlet temperature of the gas जैसे यहाँ पे चेक करने के लिए they have checked कि reach the top tray temperature and if the top tray temperature जैसे inlet temperature of the gas is you know है ना inlet temperature of liquid is already known तो top tray temperature and inlet top tray temperature and inlet मतलब bottom tray temperature these two are known. तो अब when you are calculating and finding out the temperature throughout the column तो you will check कि जैसे you will check कि the bottom temperature and the top temperature when you estimated considering as a known यानी कि अगर आप किसी एक को फिक्स कर लो यानी बॉटम टेम्परेचर यू कैन एज्यूम कि वी नो तो उसको लेके देन यू फाइंड आउट द टॉप ट्रे टेम्परेचर है ना टॉप ट्रे को अननोन मानते हुए estimate the top tray temperature. If the top tray temperature is the same as the inlet temperature of liquid, then you stop the calculation. लेकिन if the calculated top tray temperature is other than the inlet temperature of liquid, to recalculate all this data and again So this is the iterative process. This will take time. Therefore, numerical simulation यानी computer digital computer are used to solve this type of problem. तो अब in these towers, क्योंकि these are the tray towers, तो here the real tray, क्योंकि generally we talk about the theoretical tray or ideal tray, लेकिन actual में जो the real tray which is used in the tower, and there this can be estimated with the help of tray efficiency. So for a given absorber or stripper, tray efficiency होती है, this is a function of fluid composition and temperature. This is the function of fluid composition and temperature as they vary from one end of the tower to the other. यानी कि the whole tower की you can't say कि tray efficiency is same. This tray efficiency will vary from top to bottom क्योंकि you already knows the composition at each plate is different, and the temperature is also is different from bottom to top or top to bottom जैसे भी कहें, तो this is different. So usually is sufficient to make such computation at only 3 or 4 location, है ना. 3 or 4 location पे you can estimate the tray efficiency, है ना, जैसे as in figure, and the dotted line is drawn between equilibrium curve and the operating line at a fractional vertical distance from the operating line. देखो this dotted line actual में when we writing the balance, क्योंकि the driving force, अब driving force, क्योंकि driving force theoretically the driving force is the how much composition away from the equilibrium, है ना, कि how much composition of the solute is away from the equilibrium. But in the real tray, this is different than the equilibrium. Therefore, this dotted line will represented the actual, ये this will represent the actual uh, driving force between the tray composition, है ना. एक्चुअल में when we talk about the theoretical tray, तो theoretical tray में the driving force is this, है ना, this driving force, but यानी this is a driving force, लेकिन in the real system this is the driving force, है ना, this much is the driving force. तो यानी this dotted line, यानी calculate the 3-4 point पे and location पे the composition, and then draw this dotted line between the operating line and the equilibrium line, है ना, equal to the on this equal to the prevailing Murphy gas efficiency, यानी कि this represent the Murphy gas efficiency, and the value of this Murphy gas efficiency for the bottom tray के लिए अगर बाइंड करें तो this is the ratio of the length of line AB oblique AC. जैसे for example, if you find out the efficiency of this real tray, so this will be evaluated with the help of Murphy plate efficiency, and Murphy will give the idea कि how to find out the plate efficiency. So this plate efficiency will be find out with the help of this ratio, यानी कि AB by AC. देखो AB जो एक्चुअल ड्राइविंग फोर्स इन द गैस फेज में लिखा है, दिस इज फॉर गैस फेज में ड्राइविंग फोर्स दिस मच, है ना. रियल जो ड्रैग फोर्स है, ड्राइव रियल मतलब ड्राइविंग फोर्स है जो रियल ड्राइविंग फोर्स, एंड दिस इज थियोरेटिकल ड्राइविंग फोर्स, है ना, ये। तो इन दोनों का रेशियो, दिस विल गिव द एफिशिएंसी, और ये दिस इज एट द बॉटम, है ना, क्योंकि टॉप ये यहाँ होता है एंड दिस इज बॉटम, है ना, अपर पार्ट रिप्रेजेंट द बॉटम एंड दिस लोअर पार्ट रिप्रेजेंट द टॉप। तो डॉटेड लाइन रिप्रेजेंट द रियल एफ्लुएंट कंपोजिशन, है ना, ये रियल एफ्लुएंट कंपोजिशन को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है। तो कंप्लीट द ट्रे कंस्ट्रक्शन विच नाउ प्रोवाइड द नंबर ऑफ रियल ट्रेस। अब ये देखो, दिस वे यू कैन, दिस वे, यानी कि दिस वे you can find out the number of trays in the real system, है ना, रियल यानी फाइंड आउट द रियल नंबर ऑफ ट्रेस। तो जैसे वी कैन डू इन द एब्जॉर्प्शन कॉलम और डिस्टिलेशन कॉलम की, कैसे यू कैन ड्रॉ द these triangle and find out the number of triangle, number of triangle will tell you कि number of real trays कितनी होंगे। The overall tray efficiency can be computed and the number of real tray can be determined एनालिटिकली। तो ये दिस वे, यानी कि दिस इज नंबर, दिस विल गिव द ओवरऑल ट्रे एफिशिएंसी, यानी इक्विलिब्रियम ट्रे, जिसे दिस इज नोन एज आइडियल ट्रे डिवाइड बाय द रियल नंबर ऑफ ट्रेस। ये ऑलरेडी यू हैव लर्न इनटू द डिस्टिलेशन कॉलम कि आइडियल ट्रे डिवाइड बाय एक्चुअल ट्रे, तो वही है, दिस इज इक्विलिब्रियम ट्रे डिवाइड बाय रियल ट्रे, एंड दिस विल बी, this equation will be log 1 plus EMGE, है ना, EMG यानी एफिशिएंसी, मर्फरी गैस एफिशिएंसी, है ना, 1 upon A minus 1 upon log 1 by A। तो दिस इज एब्जॉर्प्शन फैक्टर, put all these values here, तो you will get the overall tray efficiency। if you know the equilibrium trace, है ना, equilibrium trace if you know, तो you can find out the real tray, है ना। जब ये वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर लिए, then real tray you can find out, yeah, with the help of equilibrium trace। So I will stop here, and next पे we will discuss the pack tower design, and maybe pack tower design is the last topic of this gas absorption system। So I will stop here।